Good afternoon. Today is Friday, December 22, 2023, and here are the 3 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SLs for 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lac 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Friday, December 22, 2023. Here are the SLs for 3 p.m. result for Mandaue City under Fiona Trading Supply Corporation for December 22, 2023, Friday. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for afternoon of Friday, December 22, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.